Hi, I'm Carlo from Equixly, and welcome to the eighth episode on the OWASP Top 10 API Vulnerabilities for 2023. Today we're going to discuss the eighth vulnerability, which is security misconfiguration. This vulnerability encompasses a huge amount of different types of vulnerabilities, essentially one for each type of protection that you could add to your API. So today we're going to focus on just three of them. We're going to talk about TLS or transport layer security. We're going to talk about security patches, and we're going to talk about error responses. So the first one refers to the encrypted connection between the clients and your servers or anywhere else that you need an encrypted connection in your APIs. The first and easiest way to check this is if your API uses an HTTPS connection. So if they do use HTTPS, there's a good chance that there's a good security between the client and the API. But there are also different ways to configure the HTTPS connection. It also depends on the types of algorithms used, how are the keys managed, the certificates, and so on and so on. And also, is your API accessible without HTTPS? Because you might be able to access it both ways. The other thing is security patches. This refers to any software that is running on your servers. Is it up to date and does it have all the required patches in terms of security? The third one is error responses. When you call your API in a way which is not exactly how it's supposed to be accessed, what does it return? If you call the API with invalid data, what does it return? Is there anything in the error responses from your APIs that can lead the attackers to gain more information about your system? If that's the case, well, you have to review the error responses in order to not have any data leaks there. At Equixly, we test for these types of vulnerabilities and also many others through AI. So if you'd like to know more, head over to equixly.com and stay tuned for the next episode.